For centuries, we have been told that moons are secondary objects, that planets matter, and moons simply orbit them. Europa destroys that assumption. Europa is officially labeled a moon of Jupiter, but structurally, Europa behaves like something else entirely. Beneath its ice shell, which is tens of kilometers thick, exists a global liquid ocean. Not pockets of water, not seasonal melt, a continuous ocean encircling the entire world. That alone places Europa beyond most planets we discuss casually. Europa has liquid water, internal heat, chemical energy, and tidal forces acting as a power source. Those are not moon characteristics. Those are planetary characteristics. Europa's heat does not come from the sun. It comes from tidal interaction with Jupiter, which flexes Europa's interior and generates frictional heating. This is critical. It proves that a world does not need proximity to a star to sustain internal energy. Europa is effectively a self-heated planetary body, locked beneath ice rather than atmosphere. Now consider what this means for planetary evolution. Europa represents a stage before Earth, a world with water and energy, but without a mature atmosphere. If Europa were slightly larger, if its ice shell thinned, if internal activity increased just marginally, Europa would no longer be described as a moon. It would be called a planet. And that is the point. Europa shows us that moons are not passive objects. They are developmental stages. Civilization does not require a perfect Earth analog. It requires stability, energy, resources, and time. Europa has all four. In future cycles, moons like Europa are not destinations for flags. They are templates for how planetary life begins. Europa tells us something uncomfortable but unavoidable. The birthplace of civilization may not be planets first, but moons. And once you see that, the entire structure of space expansion changes.